This is a digital multimeter which I have been having for quite some time. This rotary switch can be turned to either direction to choose whatever type of measurement which you want to take. In the central position it is off. On this side it is voltage from different ranges are there. 200 millivolt, 2000 millivolt, 20 volt, 200 volt and 1000 volt ranges are there. And this set you can see the symbol of resistance ohms. Here the range is from 200, 2000, 20,000, 200,000 and 2000,000, that is 2 mega ohm range. Here we have a slot for NPN and PNP transistors. These are the two leads which you